Wagwan, wagwan, welcome back to another video. Guys, it is pool day today. Everyone is in their swimsuits and their bath trunks, and nobody can swim, guys. Well, except for Moe. She says she can swim, but we'll see. As always, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with someone. You're gonna love this one, guys.
Yeah, let's go.
Says I thought you were gonna jump.
Jump.
Mm?
What is jump?
Man, this is hard to get into.
Did it jump? Ah, did it? I'm quick.
Where's someone for the notice, sir?
Yeah.
Say, so go too far from there.
That's how I know that I'm unstoppable.
So guys, no day out would be complete without Taya getting her TikTok videos in. So she had to go ahead and set up her phone, make sure everything is in order. She giving her directions, posing, the whole works. Only Taya can do her things like how she does. After all, she does have over 15,000 followers on TikTok. So check her out, guys. She really a go on with herself. So here she is reviewing the content, making sure that everything in order. As I said, only she can do what Toya does. Meanwhile, I'm over here doing my daddy duties, you know what I mean? Taking care of the kids while Toya getting her social media on. You don't know the thing, go. And guys, if we had any doubts over Moi being able to swim, boy, were we wrong. So at this point, I had enough of the swimming thing. Man had to just draw for the tube, guys. And it was so much fun. Yeah. This is more like it. But the time was so hot. Man, it was so hot. I had to be splashing water on top of my bald head. I was burning up.
That's how I know that I'm unstoppable.
So at this point, it was getting a little late, and we wanted to go down by the lake. So as you know, we stayed at a lake house, and we really wanted to go and check the lake out. My sister, man, she is a scaredy cat when it comes onto lizard. And if there is one lizard there, best believe she's gonna find it. So she bumped into a lizard and she had to go back to the pool because she was not having that. So while my sister went back to the pool, we kept on going. It was a beautiful day, as you could see, clear skies and everything. And I had my drone. I thought it would be a very, very good time to get some drone footage for you guys.
Also the kayak, them here. You can take a kayak and go to my water.
You can go on. See you when I get back.
Oh no, them last I guess yes.
Yeah, let's go. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable.
We really hoped you enjoyed our pool day vlog, and as always, like the video and share it with someone, guys. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet done so. And until next time, remember say Poppy Show JA love on us straight.